Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by testing your internet connection speed and stability right now. Test your connection speed and aim for at least 10 Mbps stable throughput. Next, reproduce the issue on a second device to see if it is local. Check now. GG status on a secondary device to isolate local versus platform issues. Capture any exact error messages and note the time they happen. Record exact error messages and the time they occurred before attempting fixes. This information guides whether DNS, browser, network, or platform fixes are required. Begin with browser and DNS troubleshooting before changing networks. Clear browser cache and cookies for the domain and restart the browser. Flush your local DNS cache and temporarily set DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8. Then disable all browser extensions and reload now. GG in a clean profile. Disable browser extensions and test with one extension disabled at a time. If that fails, reboot your router and wait 30 seconds before reconnecting clients to rule out NAT glitches. If local fixes fail, attempt network-level tests to locate the fault. Test using a reputable VPN to bypass ISP routing and try TCP port 443 connections. Also test a mobile hotspot to check cellular versus home ISP performance. Gather browser console logs and generate a HAR file to capture failing requests and timings. Collect browser console logs and HAR files for support to reproduce the issue. Submit those files to now. GG support with device model.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.